Hey, Naja, Naja. 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 Hey. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yes. Okay, I'm doing homemade tacos. I've been dying to do it. I already put my meat in here. So, we're just going to get it in, see what happens. I bought a taco mix also. The taco mix comes with a seasoning packet. So I'm going to try to refrain from adding my stuff to it. So we got our taco shells here. Okay. We have our taco shells here. And we're going to, it's nacho cheese. So I'm going to put some on the tray. Let it go in. Six. That is all I'm going to use for right now. Just the 6. Other ones in here. That tastes really good. Very good. Six. Ooh, our oven is ready. We're going to put it in there. I'm going to put the timer on it. These are our nacho cheese. Let me see if I'm going to try the other one. Where did I put it at? No. This other taco mix. Bam. So we have 2. I'm going to use this just to have my spatula in it. And I'm just letting my meat simmer in the grease. I'm going to drain the grease off. And I'm going to add the taco mix to it. Because I like my meat to be really, really brown and cooked to perfection. And it looks as if I should have get more meat, but I don't think I need it. So I'm gonna let that sit there. I'm gonna pause. Okay, I'm the camera person today, so bear with me. This right here is my taco shells. Let me just sneak around here and see if you can see it. Oh, okay, I'm doing pretty good. All right. So we're gonna put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Okay, let me go set my timer. Timer is set for 5 minutes. Okay. dropping stuff. Move that out the way so I'm dropping no more. So anyways, my sauce is pretty good. Not my sauce. My taco mix, the El Paso. It's alrighty then. Yes, I tasted earlier. I tasted. Move this in the trash. Close you up, close you. Put you in the sink. Move you out the way. Got too much going on over here. Okay. I'm gonna make my beef sauce. Also, I'm gonna be very busy today. Okay. These are my shells. All right. El Paso nacho cheese. All right. So, with that being said, it just it needs some flavor. Because I can't. There is it. I don't taste the flavor. Okay, so I have to put my onion, garlic powder in there. And onion, garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna add to it. Okay, I think that's about it. I got everything I need. So I'm gonna stir this up. I don't want to add no salt to it because it has it in the packet. I just want to add just a little bit more flavor. Okay. We're going to turn this off, turn the oven off too. Okay. What are you doing? Okay. All right, I guess we get the point now. All right, so what we're gonna do next, this is a little sauce that comes with it. Now the fruits and stuff, I got a trick for that. Yes. I made a salad. I made a salad like last week, so this is what we're going to do. Don't like to use that bowl. Okay. Ooh, excuse me. I didn't even eat nothing in my birthday. This is my salad. Beautiful salad. So, when I bought my taco stuff, I forgot to buy the vegetables. I just bought that and then leave it down because, oh my gosh, got no vegetables. So, we take the salad, move this bowl out the way so you can see. Look how beautiful that salad still looks. So, this salad has lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, tomato, red onions, yellow bell peppers, and orange bell peppers. So, this is what we're going to do. Just going to take it, come down on a knife, and we're going to chop it again. Ouch. Just going to chop it again. And we just want a little bit of the salad. We don't want a whole bunch. Just enough to fill up that bowl. And it has cucumbers, so it's going to be really good. Taco salad. Okay. So, coming up with, it's going to turn out really good. You're going to be, oh my gosh, this is so delicious. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. So take this, put that in there, like so. And I'm going to get another pile of it, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to have ourselves a nice taco salad. That's my favorite beat on this. Turn the board. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Exactly. So you won't be like, oh my God, what is she really doing? What is she doing? Okay. Let me cover up my meat. Ouch. Cover my meat up. Because I want it to stay hot. Okay. You can see it's cut a little smaller, you know, like that. So you have all of your vegetables here, and I'm gonna cut up one what's it, orange? Oh, out the way. Okay, this is for our taco. Just gonna cut up one more pound. My day has been very busy today. Taking my car in to the mechanics today, to the dealership, because there's something going on that they don't know what's going on. It's driving funny, all that crazy stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Get it together with Naudra.